Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Ethics class. Friends, I have already told you right from the beginning, justice means being fair. Justice is an elusive aspect. The examples also have given. Suppose the person who lost the case, he says, justice is not done to me. The person who is successful in the case, he says, justice is done to me. Is not done, done. What is correct? Nobody knows. So, importance of justice is like, but means justice means being fair. Suppose if the case fails, so you argued very well. You are expecting that you will get a conviction, but when you lose the case, don't comment on anybody. The advocate who lost the case alleges that judge took bribes. Can you say like that? It amounts to professional misconduct because the case has to be weighed by the material facts as well as the evidence put before the court and even the evidence, preponderance of facts. Ultimately, the judge has to weigh or to balance the facts with the case and ultimately he has to come to a decision. No doubt he can. It is not the quality, it is not the quantity, but the quality of evidence. Even though you have produced 100 witnesses, from the other side, if the defense side could produce 2 or 3 important witnesses, it suffices. Your case will go away. For that, you should not allege, you should not so-called allege that the judge took bribes. That too, you cannot comment on the judge. You can comment on the judgment. Okay, the judge has not taken into consideration the following facts. He has erred. The court has erred. Like that, you can comment. But you should not comment on the judge. If you comment on the judge, it amounts to professional misconduct. Please remember. So, very famous case, Dr. R. Muthukrishnan versus the Registrar General of the High Court of Madras. So, you know what happened in this case? It happened in Madurai bench. The lawyers used to display the placard showing that such and such is not required. They used to go to the court hall and create conundrum or create confusion in the court hall. Even though they were taken to the task of contempt of the court, they did not agree. Ultimately, so they used the drunken advocates used to go and threaten the court clerks. So all these are prohibited by framing rule numbers 14B to 14D or E. But of course, Supreme Court did not agree. Supreme Court said, you refer the matter to the Bar Council of India. Right? If you do like this, definitely court will not accept. Second case, Rajesh Kumar Singh versus High Court of Madhya Pradesh. Rajesh Kumar Singh versus High Court of Madhya Pradesh. So please remember, here when the case is lost, the DSP, that means Deputy Superintendent of Police, the police officer, he leveled allegations of corruption against the judge. And SI came to the court hall and actually threatened the staff by saying that I will set the magistrates right. We will get them transferred and I will see you also wherever. So we will get you transferred because of your corrupt attitude. No, the police officer also should not use such words because you have to give respect. That's why Rule 2, what does Rule 2 say? Advocates as well as the police also, they have to have the respectful attitude toward the court. And old case, Inri Vijay Kurle versus the contemner. Of course, it's a contempt case. Please remember, allegations on Bombay High Court judges. So please remember. Then Arif Nariman, father of Arif Nariman, you may know him. He has commented that Vijay Kurle case, unnecessarily they have false so many allegations. Ultimately, they say they apologized, but still Supreme Court took it very serious view because Arif Nariman sir was from Bombay High Court, right? The allegations are scurrilous and scandalous nature, and they can't be permitted against the judges of the highest court. So they were found to be guilty of contempt. I have made a video also on this particular point, and you can see it also. So please remember, so even though you lose a case, you must act in a dignified manner. There is an avenue, there is a chance. You have to go in appeal, or you can file a review petition, but not casting allegations against the judges, which you should not do. So if you know this much, that is sufficient. I think it has come as a question in some question paper. I don't remember. When part C comes, we will discuss in detail regarding the particular topic. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.